Today I will show you how to rig the AS33 ME in detail. I have here a Cobra trailer, which is really an amazing trailer. I use them for all of our gliders. This one has many cool features, and today I will try to rig the AS33 on my own with all the helps I can get from some devices here to not carry the heavy wings on my own. It's the first time for me as well. Let's try it. Let's start with the rigging process. We already prepared the glider, we put out the air brakes, we checked here that the air brakes are fine. We have here flap position 3, for example. It should be okay. Here the cables are okay and so on. And now it's time to get the right hand inner wing. This one here. It is heavy, but it is possible to lift by your hand. But today we will test something here from Spindelberger, which is a very interesting mechanical device there, which we will use to not lift it by hand, and then later on we use the one-man rigging aid, which is here, and attach the inner wings, and then later on we attach the outer wings. Okay, let's test this one here for the very first time.